In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dynamic password to an Excel data table. Let's start by opening Microsoft Excel on your desktop, and then open the workbook where you want to add the dynamic password feature. Once your data table is in front of you, you need to pick a cell that will be used for entering the dynamic password. Click a cell above or beside the table where the password will be typed in. Now, in the cell directly to the left of that, you'll add a label so you remember what the cell is for. Type the word password followed by a colon into cell E1, and then press enter to confirm it. Now we'll hide the salary column using a custom number format. Click on the first salary value in your table to select it. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow to extend the selection all the way to the bottom of the salary column. With those cells highlighted, press Ctrl plus 1 on your keyboard to open the Format Cells dialog box. At the top of this dialog, click on the Number tab. On the left side, you'll see a category list, and from there, click Custom. Look at the type box on the right, clear out whatever is currently inside it, and enter 3 semicolons in a row. Click OK to apply the format. The salary values will visually disappear, although the numbers are still stored inside the cells. Next, we'll add a conditional formatting rule that reveals the data when the correct password is entered. The salary cells should still be selected from the last step, but if they're not, go ahead and select them again. Move up to the Home tab on the ribbon, and inside the Styles group, click Conditional Formatting. From the drop-down that appears, click New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog, click the last option, which says Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now in the formula box just below, type an equals sign. Then click the password cell. Press F4 to lock that reference, and then type the chosen password inside double quotes. So the formula reads equals $F, $1 equals quote open sesame quote. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. After typing the formula, click the Format button on the right side of the dialog. In the Format Cells window that appears, click the Number tab at the top. From the category list, click General. Click OK to close the Format Cells dialog, and then click OK once more to close the New Formatting Rule dialog. Nothing visible will change yet because the password cell is still empty. Now we'll mask the password cell so the secret displays as asterisks instead of plain text. Click the password cell, which in this example is cell F1. Press Ctrl plus 1 to open Format Cells again. Click the Number tab, then click Custom from the category list. In the type box, clear whatever is there and enter 3 semicolons followed by 2 asterisks. Click OK. From now on, anything you type into that cell will display as a row of asterisks filling the cell, even though the actual text is still stored inside. Finally, let's test the dynamic password to make sure it works. Click the password cell, F1. Type any wrong password, for instance the word wrongpass, and press enter. You'll notice the salary column stays hidden, and the cell shows asterisks. Now click back into the password cell and replace what's there with the correct password, open sesame. Then, press enter. Instantly, the salary column will reveal all the values, while the password cell continues to show asterisks. To hide the data again, press delete on the password cell, and the salary column will disappear once more. And that's the full setup. The salary column of your Excel data table now behaves like it's locked behind a password. When the correct password is typed into cell F1, the numbers appear immediately, and when the cell is empty or holds any other value, the column stays hidden. The password itself is visually masked as asterisks, so anyone watching over your shoulder won't be able to read what you typed.